Okay, first let's start with a brief summary of the topics of this podcast hangout. First, we have here an article about a library, Momo.js. It says it is a library for motion for the web, and as you may see already, there are some parts of the page that are being animated. This is achieved with SVG graphics, and there are some examples in the article that show how it works with some examples of code. Next, we talk about frameworks without the framework. Why didn't we think of this sooner? It's basically an article about somehow generating code to use at runtime that is simpler than the whole framework with all the features that it can use. So it will be a smaller set of the code, just what you need for your application. In the next article that you want to comment, it says JavaScript developers, what's your language? It's somehow a criticism to the complications that may arise from using things like transpilers like Babel and such, and the consequences that it may have in the future that you should be aware. The next article is about native JavaScript development after Internet Explorer. It basically talks about what is it like today that we can use many features of JavaScript and HTML5 in the modern browsers without using polyfills. So it's all native to the current browsers and eventually without jQuery. The next topic is about using emojis and combining emojis to generate different images that may represent a single emoji, but they are composed of several emojis. And this talks about the possibilities of using Unicode to combine emojis in JavaScript. The next topic is about a library. This one is a simple one. It's a library that can work for modern browsers and provides a synchronous loading of scripts in a way that works well with the current browsers that are actively being supported. And finally, we have a topic on performing smooth image zooming in a way that takes advantage of features like the CSS zoom property and use that to implement animations.